Hi folks, welcome to my video on Ohm's law. In this session I will try to explain you what exactly is Ohm's law, and I will explain one problem also how to solve with the Ohm's law. So from starting, Ohm's law is defined states that under constant temperature current through a conductor is proportional to the potential difference between its ends. It's under constant temperature when current through a conductor is proportional to the potential difference between its ends. I is proportional to V. I is current is proportional to voltage, and I is equal to V by R. And I will explain you more clearly with this particular thing. Ohm's law is basically connected with these three major parameters. One is V, voltage, current, and resistance. By this triangle you can understand it easily. These three things will directly interconnect with the Ohm's law. So if you want to, this triangle helps you solve the problems also. If you want to find the voltage, you have to ignore this triangle. You have to multiply I into R. V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. So you want to find the I, current, then V by R. I is equal to V by R. If you want to find the resistance, R is equal to V by I. So everything which will be happen through this common principle only for Ohm's law. I'll show a problem for more understanding for you people. So given EMF of the battery is 10 volt, find the current through the circuit if the value of resistance is 2 ohm. We have to find the current passing through the circuit. So what are the given values? The battery's voltage is 10 volt, V is equal to 10 volt, and resistance is 2 ohm, R is equal to 2 ohm. What we have to find? We have to find the I, current. So I is equal to V by R. So 10 by 2 is equal to 5. 5 ampere is the answer. So this is the explanation of Ohm's law. I hope you understand the basics of this law. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.